Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be kind of reminding you guys that there will only be one more week of the Frostspore winter event in Heartopia. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to basically cook all of your ingredients. You're going to cook as much as you can because the reason being is the stove won't work anymore after the event actually. So if you um stocked up on like the frosted kind of sugar or the radish, I think, make sure you cook them now into a meal. You are able to still sell it to Albert, but I feel like it's going to cost less, so just cook some like pancakes, and if you run out, do the iced cup coffee, and then if you have the radishes, I suggest you cooking the steak instead of the radish soup because it requires milk, and you'll need the milk for the pancakes. Sorry, my throat hurts, but anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.